Hi, second graders. Today we are on the deep dive for Module 3, Lesson 19. Today we are going to look at the suffix ful or full. You will need your notebook and a pencil today. We're going to start by reading this paragraph from page 18 of The Story of Ruby Bridges. As I read, I want you to think about what the underlined word means. The teacher decided to wait and see if Ruby would keep on being so relaxed and hopeful, or if she'd gradually begin to wear down, or even decide that she no longer wanted to go to school. What do you notice about the underlined word? What or who is the word describing? What type of word is this? Do you see any word parts inside the word? The word that we have underlined is hopeful. The word hopeful is describing Ruby in this paragraph. It's also an adjective because it is describing a noun. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Ruby is a person, so the word hopeful would be an adjective because it's describing Ruby. In the word hopeful, you can see the word hope. In past deep dives, we've talked about this word, prefix. Do you remember what a prefix is? A prefix is a small word part. It's added to the beginning of a base word. The word prefix has a prefix. Is a prefix. Fix is a word by itself or a base word. In foundations and in other deep dives, we've talked about what a suffix is. We're going to focus on the suffix full today. A suffix is another type of small word part that comes at the end of a word and changes the meaning of that word. Like in the word hopeful, full is our suffix, hope is our base word. It changes the meaning of hope to meaning full of hope or to have a lot of. So the word hopeful means full of hope or to have a lot of hope. In your notebook, you are going to add these 4 words. We have peaceful, fearful, hateful, and powerful. Again, we're adding these to our notebook. In these words, we are going to underline the root word or the base word, and then we're going to circle the suffix. Then we're going to write what each word means. Let's look at our first word, peaceful. Full is our suffix. We circle it, underline peace. Then next to it, we're going to write what it means. Peaceful means full of peace. Our next word is fearful. Again, circle the suffix, underline the base word. Then we're going to write what it means. Full of fear. Ruby wasn't fearful, even though there was a mob when she went to school. Our next word is hateful. Circle the suffix and underline the base word. This means full of hate. It's a very strong word. The mob screaming at Ruby was hateful. And our last word is powerful. Circle the suffix, underline the base word. What does powerful mean? Having lots of power or full of power. Martin Luther King Jr.'s words were powerful. Can you think of any other words that have the suffix full? When you're done writing this in your notebook, don't forget to take a picture for Seesaw to show that you completed your work.